guys, this is Just Baseball 17 here. This is my first video and it will be a what is inside my baseball bag. I tried to make another one but I ran out of storage. That was terrible, so I have to make this fast and I don't have a lot of storage. So it's my Wilson A2000 1788 Pro Stock 11 1/4. It's pretty nice. I keep it out of my bag. Super skin. Yep. Ball in the pocket. Doesn't swallow it. But turn the pinky, well, definitely swallow it. But I go traditional finger out on that, so it's pretty good. Here's my Wilson A1K. I just keep it in my bag because I like it a little bit floppy. Not a very good thing, but it's trapeze A1K 12 1/4. Go to in the pinky, swallows the ball. It's pretty nice. So, yep, that's that. Now, here we have my first base gamer. I play first base a lot, pretty much 50% of the time, and then the other 50%, the other 50% I will like play whatever else. I don't know. Sometimes catcher too, but I take catcher pretty seriously. And but this is first base. Yep. And then I played third too. So, yep, that's that. This is a Rawlings Renegade 12 1/2 inches. Yep, that's that. It was pretty cheap. It was about 60 bucks, but it was worth it. I like it. Well worth it money. It's my dad's glove. An Easton Natural Elite 14 inches. NATS 14. Professional genuine steer hide. It says oil trained, but it just makes it a little bit heavier. See, right there. And double deep. I think that's something in softball, but yeah, I think he goes finger out, swallows the ball. All right. There's that. Yeah, I'm not gonna take any offers on these gloves because I used all of them. So here I have my Rawlings Renegade. Another Renegade. It's a catcher's mitt. I go to in the binky just because why not? I'm used to it. So ball in the pocket, doesn't swallow it. I like it pretty small. I just like the feel of it. Pretty small, and it's 32 1/2 inches. So there's that. Alright. My next glove, I think it's hiding somewhere in my bag. Oh yeah, here it is. It slid all the way back of my catcher's on. So here is my Soto. It's a pitching gamer, but this is pretty much retired. 2-piece web. I liked it for a little while. It's just the leather's really soft and it bends my fingers back. It's not very comfortable. I go train the pinky. Very floppy. Right? Here I'll get onto my batting helmet. This is an Easton. It's like a standard helmet. I just put an Under Armour sticker there because why not? So, yeah, got my name right there. So, yeah. That's that. Let's see inside. It's very cushioned. I like it. It's just a senior size. They didn't have a junior. Well, they did, but too big. I mean, what am I talking about? It's too small. And then here is my Under Armour catchers. Here, I'm going to show you my catchers here now. So, Under Armour. It's not the best one. It's just like a junior. See, it only has one block. You know, it's not the most comfortable, but it gets the job done, you know. I can block on it. Here's the shin guards. Just some junior ones. It doesn't have the gel thing because they're juniors. So, yeah, they're pretty good. I just get them pretty dirty. Yep. And then here is my other one. I just put red knee savers because only ones I had. Here's my catcher's helmet. Another Under Armour. Again, this is junior. Doesn't have all the padding you can take out and wash. But, you know, they said I had to have a throat guard or else I couldn't wear this helmet. And I wore a team helmet. It wasn't very fun, so that I use it a lot. And then here, I have a random arm sleeve. See, I don't really use batting gloves that much, but I have this glove because I only use left-handed gloves. It's like an Under Armour. See, pretty good. But yeah, it's very sticky. But that's the right-handed. I don't know where the left-handed is. Here I have a Sporting Goods bag. I might like put my cleats in here after a game. You know, why not? And I just have a ball in here. Some high school ball. Here's another ball. See? Another ball. Okay. Never could have enough balls in the bag. So here is my Louisville Slugger. It's a youth ash bat. I cracked it right here, along here, and along here, so I put some electrical tape. Doesn't work that well, but I'm just hoping it'll hold up, and it just makes a bad sound. Wait. I don't know if you heard that, but you can definitely hear the wood. It's like separated in there. So here is my hammer bat. I don't use the wood bat because we can't use wood bats. So here is my, oh wait, sorry. This is a 30 inches, 24 ounces. It's drop 6. So, yep, it's cuffed. And I put some lizard skin just because. Here's my Easton Mako Torque. I got it on sale because, you know, but they have the next one out. So, but I just got this on sale, so it was cheaper. So, drop 10, 30 inches. I used it a ton. The pop is pretty much gone. It doesn't sound normal. It sounds like wood. So that's not very good. I put some lizard skin because the other thing that it came with was terrible. It was complete trash. So that's pretty much it. But there's nothing else in my bag. My bag it just has one big pocket. So I have weighted baseballs, but they're in my garage. You know, they're just the Prime-Ed balls. Prime, whatever. Here we have, I used to use these as trainers. See, they're pretty good, you know. They're Nike Zoom Windflow 2s. Yep, they have Nike Zoom. It's pretty cool. And then my cleats, I have some Nike Huarache cleats. You know, they're youth. They have not the rubber ones, the rubber spikes. They have like plastic ones. The rubber ones, I like those too, but these ones, they last a little bit longer. So, yeah, that's pretty much all I have. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.